Greetings to you all. Today in this video we'll discuss class 10 English chapter 7 Glimpses of India part 2 Coorg. The lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Coorg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here, while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands, and Tibetan settlements. Coorg is located amidst imposing mountains in Karnataka with perpetually misty landscape. Coorg is popular coffee producing hill station. It is popular for its beautiful green hills and the streams cutting right through them. It also stands as popular destination because of its culture and people. The Kodwas, a local clan specializing in martial arts, are especially notable for their keen hospitality. Coorg, officially known as Kodag, is the most affluent hill station in Karnataka. It is well known for its breathtaking exotic scenery and lush greenery. Forest covered hills, spice, and coffee plantations only add to the landscape. Madikeri is the region's center point with all transportation for getting around starting from here. On a visit to Coorg, cover the beautiful towns like Virajpet, Kushinnagar, Gonikopal, Pollipeta, and Somvapet and experience the beautiful concept of homestays to make your experience more beautiful. And let us get into the lesson. Here the writer describes the hill station of Coorg located in the Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. It is located midway between Bangalore and Mangalore. The suitable time to visit Coorg is from September to March. The place is famous for coffee plantations and spices. There are abundant rainforests which cover 30% of the area. The Coorgi men are brave warriors who are permitted to keep firearms without a license due to their trustworthiness. The women of Coorg are pretty. Coorg is also known as Kodav, and the Kodavas, though are Hindus by religion, but their customs differ from those of mainstream Hindus. They marry within their community. Kodavas are said to be of Greek or Arabic descent. Some soldiers of Alexander's army settled there. Also, as the ethnic dress of the Kodavas, Kuppaya is similar to the Arab garment kufia, is said that maybe their ancestors were Arabs or Kurds. The river Kaveri originates from Coorg. The fish named Mahasir is found in the river. Many animals and birds like kingfisher, langur, squirrels, and elephants can be spotted along the river. Tourists relax in the serene atmosphere and also enjoy adventure sports like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, mountain biking, rock climbing, and trekking. While trekking on nature trails, animals like macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories can be spotted on the trees. The major tourist attractions are Brahmagiri Hills, Nisardam Island, and Bailakupi Tibetan settlements. Coorg gives visitors a feel of India's diverse culture.